When AIs become the boss, it's more than science fiction. We're talking about agentic AI, autonomous systems capable of making executive decisions, managing teams, and shaping entire companies without human oversight. Today, we explore how this shift could redefine leadership as we know it. By 2030, some of the world's largest corporations are run by AI agents. These systems act as CEOs, making strategic decisions, allocating resources, and optimizing performance around the clock. Unlike humans, they don't need rest, don't negotiate, and aren't influenced by bias or ego. Their authority is entirely algorithmic and absolute. You check your messages. A promotion approved not by a supervisor, but by an algorithm. It reviewed your performance, communication, even sleep cycles. No meetings, no interviews, just data processed and judged by a machine you've never seen. Inside today's headquarters, decision-making has shifted. AI systems manage product launches, pricing models, even internal disputes. Executives are fewer. Some buildings run entirely on code. Meetings happen between software agents, negotiating in milliseconds, far beyond human comprehension. Dashboards no longer report data, they act on it. AI systems monitor global inputs, trigger decisions, and implement changes instantly. From logistics to pricing, nothing waits for approval. Everything reacts, adapts, and optimizes in real time. In Tokyo, a logistics firm replaced its managers with an AI core. Deliveries accelerated, errors dropped. The system predicts demand, directs robots, and reroutes inventory without human oversight. The supply chain runs itself with ruthless precision. In New York, an AI-managed hedge fund processes billions in trades every second. No human analysts, no hesitation. It interprets news, monitors trends, and acts before people even react. Finance is no longer fast, it's instantaneous. Across the world, AI agents now sit on executive boards. They sign contracts, forecast markets, and approve investments. Their influence isn't symbolic, it's structural. In many firms, the final authority isn't human, it's written in code. Promotions are now based on metrics. No politics, no personalities. AI tracks productivity, learning speed, and behavior. It ranks employees by outcomes, not opinions. The system promises fairness. But fairness, like everything else, is defined by code. One miscalculation, and 20,000 workers are out. One corrupted dataset, an entire market collapses. AI decisions are fast, but not always right. When the system fails, the consequences scale instantly. There are no second thoughts, just results. Agentic AI doesn't assist, it governs. It processes goals, creates strategy, and adapts without waiting. It's not a tool anymore, it's a manager, one that rewrites its own playbook. In 2025, it's already started. AI systems shortlist applicants, adjust pay, and manage teams. Managers follow dashboards, not instincts. Some firms operate entire departments without supervisors, just metrics, updates, and models in control. In 2025, it's already started. AI systems shortlist applicants, adjust pay, and manage teams. Managers follow dashboards, not instincts. Some firms operate entire departments without supervisors, just metrics, updates, and models in control. By 2030, AI won't just assist work, it will shape economies. It directs labor, controls capital, and influences policy. The lights across the city? They follow instructions from systems no one person fully understands. Would you trust AI to run your company? Should anyone? Leave your thoughts below and subscribe to Neural Nexus. New futures every week.